Lisbon is stunning, but those crowds can kill the vibe. Tired of the tourist traps? We've been to Lisbon several times. We've seen the top tourist spots with huge crowds, like Belém Tower, Geronimo's Monastery, and Santa Justa Lift. Discover Lisbon's hidden gems with us. We've found 10 spots where you can relax more, explore more, and feel like you have this city all to yourself. Stay tuned. At the end, we'll have a link to our top restaurants in Lisbon. We've been to over 40 restaurants, and we picked the top 12. So stay tuned to the end and check it out. All right, let's go. At number 10, Estrela Park. This Baroque basilica's gardens are postcard perfect and mostly empty. Early afternoon is surprisingly quiet. Add a stroll around the ornamental lake. Most people go to the amazing viewpoints in the city like Miradouro de São Pedro de Alcântara and Miradouro Santa Luza. But one of Lisbon's last hideaways is Miradouro de Jardim do Torel, which is number 9. It's a little visited garden and viewpoint. Created in the 18th century, it offers views over Beja and Avenida da Liberdade. At number 8 is Green Street, also called Rue de Almada. This leafy lane in Benfica feels like a secret garden. Stroll, snap photos, and nobody's in your shot. Late afternoon is prime time. At number 7, you should hop on the ferry to Almada for a quick ride across the river. Explore some retired naval vessels like a wooden-hulled frigate, the last Portuguese sailing warship, and the Barracuda submarine. History buffs, you'll have decks to yourself. Late morning, before lunch is best. The cable car at Parque das Noques is a gem. You'll see the river, the Vasco da Gama Bridge, and maybe only 1 or 2 other tourists. At number 5 is the Lisbon Zoo. Fewer crowds in the city center, plus you can ride the cable car through the treetops. Weekday visits score active orangutans and lazy lions. At number 4, the National Tile Museum. Are you a tile fan? The Tile Museum at number 4 is blissfully quiet even midday. Marvel at centuries of tile work and peaceful galleries. Don't forget, grab a coffee at the Museum Cafe. At number 3 is the Avenida da Liberdade, which is Liberty Avenue. Lisbon's luxury boulevard is usually packed. Hit it before 11 a.m. on a weekday, and you'll have the Art Deco facades, designer stores, and beautiful parkside cafes practically to yourself. And number 2 is LX Factory. This artsy complex hums, but skip weekends. Come Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday afternoon for street art, indie shops, and that cool restaurant vibe. Crowd level at that time could be 0. And our number 1 low crowd spot, right in the heart of Lisbon, is the Parque de Eduardo VII. This terrace park offers panoramic city views and almost no lines. Perfect for a sunrise picnic with a pastel de nata. And check out the amazing greenhouses, they're fantastic. Best times, midday mornings. So that's our top 10 low-crowd Lisbon spots. Which one will you explore first? Let us know in the comments, and hit the subscribe button for more of our foodie travel secrets. Watch our top 12 restaurants in Lisbon guide next and hit that link. See you on the next adventure. Happy travels.